Seaside Heights, Saturday night. It's not raining, so that's a good sign. All I got is one thing to say. Let's begin the process. Night, Seaside Heights, after the rain. Not a lot of people out here, but some. We're enjoying the nice weather, nice and warm out. Still beautiful. Casino Pier closed tonight due to rain. I don't know how late they would stay open normally, but because of rain, I think they closed their hitting a lot of bumps here. Let's hold that camera a little steadier. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Coming out. Coming out here. Okay, let's look around at the car show. Cars are still coming in, but we're going to check them out anyway. Seaside Heights Antique Car Show.
guy that owns Lenny's.
Just a little fun over at the car show. The antique car show. And what's it doing out here? Kind of hazy. Not cloudy, but hazy. Not sunny. And cool. And plus it's day 2 of the whiny thingy on the beach. So we'll see if anybody's drinking any wine at... Oh, that don't start till noon, so we got a ways to go before that starts. Are you ready? Here's Mia. That's right, meeting people on the boardwalk and having them say hello. Or sometimes they say hello, yes. So great. Love it. Ollie, don't jump through the railing. And now, cats doing cat things with their new toy.
This is Kitty Shack.
Kitty Shack. As seen on TV. Does this thing really work? Tumbles, get in the Kitty Shack. About you like the new bed? Get inside of it. 2 tumbles. Well, that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you real soon. Next Saturday, barbecue by the sea. Hope to see everyone there.